Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to fix we suspended your account and after that date was written, then how you can fix that. If there is any option available of chat with us, then you can simply chat with them, and after that you can simply click on disagree with decision, and you can request them that you have not violated any kind of community guidelines, and they have to simply reactivate your account. And after that, if also all these thing doesn't work, then I will tell you how you can do the next step. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all close this page, and after that you have to simply open a new tab, and where you have to simply search for Instagram help. And after that, in Instagram help you have to simply click on contact us, and after that here you can simply describe your issue to Instagram team. And after that you can simply click on options available. The first option is as data access, account access, troubleshooting, deactivation and deletion, and account ownership. You have to simply click on account access. Here you can simply select my account has been hacked, disabled, and I can't log into my account. So you have to simply select my account has been disabled. Here options available that to learn more about why your profile may have been disabled, you have to click on visit the health center. So you have to click on that, and after that you have to click on this wasn't helpful and this solution doesn't work, and here you can simply provide them the description that what is the problem you are having, and you can simply report that description. And I have already written that description, which is as hello Instagram team, recently I got the notification of my account suspension even though I have not violated any community guidelines. Kindly help me in this regard as soon as possible. After that you can simply click on submit, and that report will be submitted to Instagram team, and they will look out your report, and they will check your account suspension. And after that you will get in touch with Instagram team and explain them in a better way that why they have suspended your account, and it is not easy for you to get that account. So they have to help you for that because you have not violated any community guidelines. If that account suspension is due to a community guideline, then it is very difficult to reactivate that account. So you have to make sure that you can simply create a new account and start from the scratch. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can simply subscribe our channel.